Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can connect Google Calendar with your account on Calendly. For example, if you'd like to have your events and scheduled meetings from Calendly also added to your calendar on Google Calendar and vice versa. So let us dive into this. So what you will need to do, guys, is navigate to Calendly and connect your both accounts from Calendly and Google Calendar. Excuse me. So let me show you how to do that. Log into your account on Calendly, navigate to availability to the left, and here switch from schedules to calendar settings here at the top. Now below you will see the calendars, the external calendars you have already connected. So as you can see, I have added my Google Calendar. So let me just disconnect it for the sake of this tutorial and show you how it's done. So you will see Google Calendar as well as Outlook below. To be added to your Calendly calendar. So click into connect here. After that, select the Google account you would like to link with Calendly. Give it the permission here by clicking into continue. And after that, confirm again. Wait for a brief moment. And Google Calendar will then be successfully connected, and you will see it listed here. That's it, guys. And you can connect another calendar account by clicking into this button. For example, if you have more Google accounts, for instance, you may do that using the method I just showed you, and then these calendars will be listed below from Outlook or Google Calendar. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.